Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme luxury and off-road performance with the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome. Built for adventure and engineered for endurance, this motorhome sets new standards for rugged capability and premium comfort. Kenworth is renowned for its industrial-grade engineering, and the 2026 6x6 motorhome blends that toughness with refined luxury. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious, intelligently designed living area that balances durability with modern comfort. The materials used throughout are premium and purpose-built, featuring high-grade leather seating, reinforced cabinetry, and brushed metal accents. The living space includes a large flat-screen display, a premium surround sound system, and wide panoramic windows designed to showcase even the most remote landscapes. The kitchen is fully equipped with heavy-duty appliances, including a diesel-powered generator system, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and ample storage for long expeditions. The sleeping area features a queen-size bed designed for stability on uneven terrain, while the ensuite bathroom includes reinforced fixtures and a walk-in shower, ensuring comfort no matter how far off the grid you travel. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome is a commanding presence. Its aggressive, purpose-driven design prioritizes strength and off-road dominance, with a high-clearance stance and reinforced body panels. The exterior is finished in a durable, industrial-grade coating built to withstand harsh environments and extreme weather conditions. Heavy-duty off-road tires, military-style recovery points, and integrated roof rack system enhance its expedition readiness. The large side-mounted awning creates a functional outdoor living space, while the bold Kenworth grille and badging emphasize its unmistakable truck heritage. Built on a reinforced 6x6 chassis, this motorhome delivers exceptional stability, traction, and durability, ensuring confidence on any terrain. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome is engineered for extreme conditions. Power comes from a massive turbocharged diesel engine designed to deliver relentless torque rather than outright speed. Paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive system, this motorhome is capable of climbing steep grades, crossing rough terrain, and hauling significant loads with ease. The advanced air suspension system adapts to changing surfaces, providing a surprisingly smooth ride even off-road. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome is a true premium expedition vehicle, and its price reflects its extreme capabilities. With a starting price of around $1 million, it's designed for buyers who demand ultimate durability, independence, and luxury in one unstoppable package. This price includes custom engineering, off-road systems, long-range fuel capacity, and the unmatched build quality associated with the Kenworth name. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just purchasing transportation, you're securing the freedom to explore anywhere without compromise. To sum up, the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome is an exceptional fusion of industrial strength, off-road mastery, and premium comfort. Whether you're planning a remote overland expedition or seeking the ultimate go-anywhere motorhome, the Kenworth 6x6 delivers power, confidence, and comfort on every journey. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.